God bless all the viewers, wherever you are. I just want to share with you and give some small advice to people about some wrong thing that is going on. And this evening, wherever you are, please share with me or send it, share it, invite somebody to join. I want to just give small advice to some people, as Ghanaians especially. I want to give some advice to Ghanaians. It's very, very important because we are going beyond our limit in some things which we don't have to. Sometimes we must know our limit on whatever we want to do. But if we did not take care, we will bring condemnation upon ourselves, thinking that someone is at fault. We can blame people that we want to blame, but that doesn't solve the problem. As I'm listening, we are sharing this songs here. That is Professor Kofi Abraham. Let's listen to his song for a moment of, let's say, a moment of worship or praises as well. Let's do best as we can to share this program. It's very, very important as I'm giving advice to ourselves. Nemo Ebeche Adrebi Anamedi, Jusem Kakrebi Eba. Na yetie Professor Kofi Abraham no Professor Buya, Professor Brakopa Ogana, ni Professor Tesa wono yetie ne nyum no na me person ka wo share asem ne ma wobi na ye nyina so ye famu aba na ye hunu kwan ye be fa so a ye be ye bia very, very important pass bibia ye bia no ye be ma ya dwene akọ ne ye bia so reason niema bi won ma ya ho ode ne nyansa entumi nyo ananti emre bi se ne hia ma se ye keka ye ho na ye ma ye ni da ho e obi bia ye anti mma ye mfasa asemi entro yakoma so nsɛm ne mo bɛkan ye nsɛm bi a ɛho hia yi ɛho hia ma Kristo ni bia ɛho hia ma nipa bia na ade a ɛha adwene baako ne sɛ ebinom afa wɔn mo ankasa kwan sɛ de wɔn mo pɛ nanso so wofa wa kwan a wo de nkamani nuru wɔn ko a wo so nkamani nuru wɔn ko a wo so na mmom yɛni try yɛni tɔn wɔ nneɛma bi mu in some ways we are going beyond our limit, and I want to share idea with brethren and sisters. However you want to do it, you must know your limit and your standard. If we didn't take care, only one person can bring curse upon us, and that can distract or destroy everything in our life. We have to be very careful on people that is not aware of their own mistake, but they come and condemn people's mistakes by means of causing big problem. This can cause a harm. When spiritual harm comes, these people will be quitting from the system, but we have to understand that we don't have to wait till we fall in victim. We don't have to wait till we fall in victim. We have to do best as we can. We don't have to wait till we fall in victim. It's about me, it's about you, it's about all of us. We have to be very, very careful. Whatever we are doing, whatever we are saying, if you speak against man and you become annoying, talking of speaking against God, it's very, very important that I want to share with you. Now, said them no more can I idea who here. And until Mama Madrone, Yamayadrone, and now I want near me be home. The idea who here, pa, and Miss Lemon. The beer will be an omo dresser, will be true, sir, and a moya minimo, a cahuasemu, a hun here, pa, preserve, Ghana for your knee, air try and in tone or quite be so. Na Nina Moon said, ye be an your father said, ye dear home. Then so sabita fracture, Nipediana cream crown, one never honsa, talking of you don't own yourself like that, talking of your soul. So if you don't even own yourself like that, and you don't own yourself, your soul, we have to know our limit, the way we do things. Every country have an spiritual aid or spiritual assistance, but we don't look into it. We always go beyond because some people think they have traveled to Europe, but even in Europe here, they respect the word of God and they respect the men of God. I'm giving this advice because people think pastors are just for their own self. No. If true men of God is standing or living in a country, he is an spiritual responsible, or he has spiritual responsibilities. And so if you don't have spiritual responsibilities and you think you can do whatever you think you want to do, then you have to be very careful the way you treated people. We don't treat people at the same time. Everybody have his own category. We must learn how to give respect into our people, into men of God. But Ghanaians have taken it as upon our shoulder to condemning men of God by defiling the name of God. Don't you know what you are doing is defiling the name of God? Don't you know what you are doing is bringing an anger or anoint of God upon you? I'm giving this short message so that we learn how we go about it. But the answer me kakra eba na menua obi a ofin se ne wo ye no ani nyame asem enhia no mesro twitwa so na pre wo kra akwa nyame betima de won kwa afiri wonsam se bia nipa odi man nanim na ofin se onye nyame de nyame na sabita frache wa no aduane bia wanya edi no eno ma wo eno emma nyame su ne ensesa enti mesre mo pa mama ye mo ye ho modre bia se bibia ye bia no ye be no na kwan so a enkofa no me emma se nipa bebre ne ye fin se bibia ya bedura bruchire ana se be wato moba fu bia kuranti ubetimi aye ne wo pe bia na enso kan no se nyame betima afra won kwa afiri wonsam na me kra de no ha me se wo kofa won ne me sem bi soa na nka nyame fa won kwa afiri wonsam ana nka mom de aka asua nyansa nemum se obekwa akofa no me sem bi aba besue oman no ama oman no ekọ ha ne amane mu no sesei afi beko na wieye sese yenya nipa a ebegina yedima ama oman no mpontuo Europe ha ye wo no se wunim na do afoforo kokko foforo asofo so a ba bia wo betena no ba bia wo ankasa wadam obesisi no wo mpe so ho frisi ye wo mate se broni bia begina bontene edi asofo atem kaseti nyame nipa na nso so enne no so obi active mu a na de betia nyamesom ebegu nyamesom animu ase na obi nso abomodna kope na odi abeto ho chese o ye sofo a na odi abro mo hwe ne mo yo minuanom se onkwa asori a tenase eno eya onu nyankopon asem sense so fin se wonye Kristo ni a sua se de wo bekasa ma obiara emmeko so problem ewo nyamesom ni nyamesom no enye se ni wura osom bia obi asom no wa ni die ni bu enti so wa ni die eni buo ma wo somo a kawano tumi na transe na wo som no so mfom so bibire wo ho a ye ka enka enye kura se wo tene bi se obesom enti me ka ama Ghana fo ma so atene ye na me be kire mo se obi ye sofo ana obi ye difo a se di nyame si nim no fa ene ne so mfa so a e wo ho ma man no me ka ni twi obi a obeti bi ati so ofin se se betafrate wa bro kire na wa ba no e bo wo dam na se be wa be no num wi ne nsa na wa dwene mu ka wo kakra e ba bi na kokotra so ofin se wa tomoba na wonnim ne wode ya enkofa wano no mfa nkokeka no mesem e ma no mefore wo man no visi ma hunu se ga so trans na ohwehwe mu a Ghana man ye man asese yakoba se yenni anidie emanyamesom yenni anidie emanyame nipa enso so no wo sa nipa no a mo ye sa no yenhu mo so mfaso mpo e wo man nim hwan e na abie company wo man nim e na wo ye mo man no koso mesremo a moma ye nwene ne ye trans ne yenhu ye limit ye nipa wo limit nru ba bia wo nru a men ko ho trans din visa woto no onkwa asore wo se wo nkwa asore a obia meka odwe nemum se obekwa akopensem bi na bribia no se obi ho a so ko nipa bibire profile mu a niema a eye nim guase dia na eye nim guase die tia nyamesom na sa nipa no de eye bo ho modra so ye na wunnim se o yes an wo gu nyame din ho fi wunnim se wo ka kire obi se wo se kwase ampanyini a wakasa tia wo se no esne wo no ankasa mu se betafrache Bible say de wo se ne mobroni wo se ne nwenfo ene nti se wo betrase na se yentimi nya nidie emma oman mu mpanyimfo ahwe yentimi nya nidie emma oman mu asofo a meka kire hwe hu se wa hwe ya bia how bia beba no na bia sa abra na jifo ni ho so bi yare a yetimi bo modern ya momfa enko sofo asomasi wan de na waka wano atumi se nantwie na woda ho din ne de wo ama wakọ pempa ibo eni ntini mesira mo ma obi ankofa no me emeto o man so fi se wano asem ne me de me ka ne se woka nnome sem se wo sori tie nyame asem na se nnome ba oso amenka ha me se be kwa akofore wo man mu no ye sori ani edi aman ne mu mpanimfo atem o man ne mu mpanimfo na yedi o matem no se nyame ama wonyansa ne nimdie se asofo anyina anni ama man no amasa obi antumi nya bibia Bible say so nyame wansi dan no odansifo den bregu kwa na wawe nso owenfo so gina hokwa eni timi mamo ate ase se nyame Ghana man no se nyame nsa amem se nyame antinani ahwe man no a hwe na na akufo ado abo no modre bia se 4 years within this 2-3 years ikakra wa ye bia yi no enka sebita frache enka eka hosi akra nkeye nanso se nyame amamu a nyame ansomu a enka ho oman no sebita frache se yenya asofo ne adifo ne atituru anyina ho anni ama oman no a masa wa ho de no nyansa wontimi mfa mu man ma ne nyeye ntini mesira moma yensua na yehwe kwan ye befa so a yedi buo bema asofo ne adifo ne nkomhyefo ene nyame nipa wo man mi so obi gina ho se nyame nipa a nyabuo ma no mempe no ho asem enkoye wadwuma ene tini pa cross wa bie radio station bi ana se wanyati mobile bi na ebo wodamo abo modra na totwene dance obekọ akọfa no me abeto ho so bi se sabita freche yemu binim ho a sabita freche abruche fre na bruchiri wo mo na nwene se wo mo simple bebe bi da na wo ma babi na nso ne wo ma babi abenya krata ene ti wo mo fa ne se nyame so nim fa so wo mo ka kristo so mo asem a sabita freche obeka so mo da mpempem so enso wono a onamano abi mu kasati asofo odi kristo fo atem no wo ko hwe obi trabre wa bruchiri ha ikura sabin ko tifie kura nka so wo mfa so ene ti mesira mo mama ye nwene nkwa akiri na ye nhunu se nyame onye nipa nyame onye den onye nipa oye nyame ene ti nyame bisa na ko ase se mi nyame na wo meye en how ne amanesem se egu manimu ase a wo fin se de na meyo obeto agu ene ti Bible si nyame dumi Elia fie na Elia bisa ne ma se nipa ne nipa nya asem a nipa beka na nyame ene nipa nya asem a hwan ene beka mom ye hwe ne ni nyame nya asem efi se nema aye se utie wo hwe media se obi pekwan obefa so obegu asofo animu ase obi pekwan obefa so obeka nsem atie kristosom na amanfo asom na ye nanso yesuban ne abrabo a yede te oman mu na yede ti wiase na enso nyame ani wasisu abranti a sebe wasisu a wunni babida ebi a wawo nan ya na anum na ansia wunni babida wunni mu abrabo so hwe ubedi asofo atem wo mmompa yensire nyame se obeboa ama niema akoyie wadwuma a wo ye ne se asofo na wo de wano asi asofo ho na odi asofo atem ye trase se yemu ye ho ankase ya ho akonta yemu bibire ho ese nke de ekoto afiase efi se ya bra bone ye niema ye no ye so ni mfaso ewu wiase sabita frache ibinum seno won so sene binum eni ntini wiase nipa nyina nepe eni ntini bon ho modre na sufre awurade se wo mo wa bra bom na yenya se ye sori ane ye dia betre ho di asofo atem fra na pakopem anwumre obi tim betre radio su media di asofo atem na fifiri no wabodam ade na won kopa adwuma bi nye mini di obi atem na no kre e na wo se ye ka ye ntranse mamo mfama no bagaya no meka no mesem entia nyame emasa no me no how no emaye nso mom ye hwade on the book of Jeremiah chapter 18 verse 5 going down was it then the word of the Lord came to me saying, O house of Israel, cannot I do with you as this potter, said the Lord? Behold, as the clay is in the potter's hand, so are ye in the hand of, so are you in my hand, O house of Israel. 7. At what instant I shall speak concerning a nation and concerning a kingdom, to plank up and to pull down and to destroy it. If that nation against whom I have pronounced turn from their evil, I will repent of the evil that I thought to do unto them. And it was a muntie, say impon wono or the one kuku no, so no ho kwan so odwene se de opa minya nkopon me samakasa medumi o manu asai o manu mpo a se yesesa ya dwuna obepede o man na si me ka kire mo wodaw se nipa bi de o mo ho besi ho abom paye adiama o man no nipa bie no obetuma peda Ghana amana yeyi sika bie no obetuma si Ghana amana yeyi mo ka so obetum de o ho atoto America wudi ma sofo egu dem di ma America what is sofo America so America sofo bi e di o man atem what is obi ti ba bi di America sofo atem me wuntumi kura UK nem ne ade a ye sori a ye pre ye free kuromu a ye din samfo ne bobra bone na ekutia ya ne ye pekwa betra u pekwa betra Germany u pekwa betra UK u pekwa kotra ye so sen US u pekwa kotra Canada u ko ho no u kote si ye di asofo atem wo ba brochira ha wo bete si ye di asofo atem eni ti se mo ba brochira mo kama no ntum na mo mpe de mu bedi mo mpe de mu bedi na mo nsire nyame se obeye di mama mo watimi ye tete abrochira ha ubesi fie ne ebu egu we beye we niema bi obebia na aye basa won trase mo nyame mpa ye nsre se awurade dimayen awurade bromanim ye mu dipa dodo sen ene koye nkotodwa anim a yesu bo mpa ye sre awurade se awurade to anim o man Ghana mi bisa nipa dodo sen Ghana fo ye wa kwantum no me se mon kire mi nipa dodo a mo ba mo nkotodwa anim a mo sisre awurade se asafo awurade to anim o man Ghana na ne man koye maye nipa dodo sen mi bisamo enti social media no mesremo a monhwe ne yie na me ka se we muntie ne yie ba sa Facebook social media samo koso egoso ase mu gu asofo anu ati di asofo atemo a me ka to ho bre bi bedu sa bre mbo ka se maye ni pa bonesem moti ha ne ya ye du obi free Germany Britain na America na Canada ni pa kro passport mpo a wote ho na yaje passport na nya wo de o paper na ekura no aban no wo kwan se otimeje di uko okrum ntimuntie ne ye ba bia ukodi eduru ena ne onam so na wabenya paper menye wadwene se ukobon nsa na o Germany na obenya paper o Spain ana obebon nsa na o Spain na okotra US ana Canada yenimu nchio eniti san ne ma no a moye no media no rules and regulations da ho laws da ho but enam se ye tuntumfo ne ye kan ase omofa ne se yenim ne ye Nimum se metrans na se de niema totofom ne ekọ migration ayi ne company fo bi na ase a woti ho woti America woti Germany woti ba bi a wo fin se woti Britain ho woti ho na ya frew aka kire se abraso ye je okata kokrum na kotrans ko boa wo man kokrum na kotrans ko boa wo man moma ye nsua kwan ye befa so ye die ni die ni buo be mo man no if say Ghana man no ani die ne nsemfo a ye ka kire nyame ye ka gu nyame ani mu ase eno obi timi gina ase ka se Yesu adimi se beta frate donko ni bi ase dua bi hu mmiri timi bi na no ka kire kasati ya Yesu na se beta frate so kwanka mo man mu mpo a wontimi nkasanti entia Yesu as obi a oye nyame difo na ye te Ghana ye timi ka se obi bi timi betra social media no wa kansemfo bi na te se eniam ebegu nyame so mani mu ase moma ye hwe sa nyame ne yi enti nyame asem ni ewo Jeremia ho no wo se mpodo so waka waye na dwen se o sei ma bi mpo a so man ni nunu ho a yo beden ono awurade besisa na dwen enti mesremo asofo ne adifo ne nkomjefo a mudi o matem no wo da ben no wakọ nan ase akọ nkotodwa anim abọ mpaye afi mu ni nyina watimi de oyefura to one day pe mpo asre ama awurade se onima wabusua wusu ni minansa watimi ede oyefuna to ho asre one day pe se osuru nyankopon wi kai o man Ghana da ben no wabọ mpaye akai o man Ghana nyame hia nipa obedia mo man no so okọ country bia omo wo on spiritual defense ewo ho a yemfa yensanka menemo beko Sagraria Familia ye beche nyame asem ewo ho dan a yesi ni good 500 years asori dan just one person who sit down no according to the said nyame dan na dichire nipa no good 500 years and omu guso omu wie sa so dan no omu wie ye fi se de nyame adan na di na no no so me Bible say hwinta se mo nyame nchen na de odan na dichire nipa ma na nipa ma dia and it is nipa na wo hunu sa asori dan no waye architecture hu sa so dan no da sefo atrans abohom pa ya akwanchina to dan so 500 good years kopem so obemu nyame trimu po hwan no hwan ena te Ghana epe nyame trimu po wo maman moma ye nsua kasa ye hwe kwa ebefa so ade anidi ebema asofo ene nkomhyefo ne adifo so asofo bi ye trofo a Bible so obi ye odi ni ame awurade no meda no ho adi akire no ene ti so obi ye sofo obi ye nye sofo papa obi ye sofo komsheni trofo a men kwana so ko wo asoro na wotimi no konas wo wasoro na wotimi no na jai nafka wa no tum if say ya nhwe ya bedu bebi no ya kasa masese asofo ni anidie o manim Ghana mon kire me sofo a yenni natem mu betimi aka evangelist baako a yenni natem ana asofo baako a yenni natem mu betimi akire prophet baako a yenni natem nanso so no minuanom mo ate se obi asore atia na krum asofo Pastor Chris Bocho ni pasa na bebe media be di o matem se de mo ye ana TV Joshua ni pasa ene besra be di o matem Ghana yenim sofo keto yenim sofo panyini yenim nipa ne obi okra se benka onye wo size abrabom kra nka onye wo size nanso abetra social media no wadi na tem ase de wo pe mesremo mo ma yenwene nkwa akiri memne mo be che sa ansem yi asofo so wo mfaso asofo ewo dwuma ese omudi adifo ne nkomhyefo egu man ni mu no omo dwuma ese se omudi yempa ye wa akwantu mu po dwuma yeti yedi aniti nyame ka che yi ase mede mo beko Babylon na mede mo nkomhyefo ne modifo mpo beka mo ho na mo akọ na mo anyira makwan aniti yempa ye wa ha ase be yedi ma nipa ye ne o mo akwantu mu no enye se ne ye wa akwantu mu ye ni dwuma yo so ye odifo wo ye nyame nipa wo dwuma papote ne se obi diamen oman na wo se munim oman no oman no munti oman na di aniti wantimi amọ mpa ya mo oman no mpo sebe ukrumfo Ghana fo no mo de so ye nyame nipa se odima won se nka nyame emo won ho bai emfiri obonsam no osefo nkwanhie su biere mu aniti menye wade se asofo su ni mfaso moma yensu asambre enka bradru se ebri mu sambre ye kwa afia wieye ese ki nya asofo bi yenya adifo bi yenya nkomhyefo bi yenya chese evangelist fo bi ankom betrase adiam o man no nanka yenya nyame animu adom o afia ye kowura mu no nanso so ye de ane se ye de ye ho atu wiase nsem so ne edi asofo atem ese hwan na edi mo man no mo di asofo e wa Ghana nyina temakositire adifo e wa tem e wa Ghana mo di obi atemakositire mo ma ye nwene nkwa akiri ya brochire entimi nya hwe ma o man no abrochire ha wuntimi ntra ha nya hwe ma o man no se nyame bible se nyame ensida na odanzifo no eden wo bregu kwa no anwe o man no a oremfo so eden ejira ho kwa enti se ya ma ya mre ye ho ase na ya nsu ansre nyame ama ya nya o man ani mu adom amasa bibie no ebetimi asesa o man akọ nanim bibie ni ho hwe mo pa mo nkofa na na akufu adoso times 10 emejira ma o man enkọ nanim a enkọ enti mo ma yensre enye dima yemu man mu mpanimfo yemu asofo na ne hwan ne pese de adidie ma no hwan ne nyame mfa nanim to mo ma yensre samrin ka fi ko na wiye sofo be na mo ate se we yi ato se ye dia ma o man no kasamrin ka bia asofo firi ha we bia nka asofo na nka nsore oma be hia kokoam koma koshia kokoam baabi na nka wom no asofo a wom dwo ho dum se wom firi na me nyame afro mo wom teman ni mu no me nka se frɛ me ka wom ase do wom teman no mu kura no ka wom ho abom na nka wom akohye dem na nka wom suo gu nyame so ene mu be me ba be yi sa hwinta se me nyina akyere mo nyɛ se asofo wo personally wo bompa ye kyere nyame for man na ontie nyame aye da wo den nkrofo a me be kyere mu nipa nyame a wo den wo onom se onom me yedima ema o man nti menye waden se wo ko gyina waso de ye huru baba na wasama wo ka nyame no watie na menye waden se wo betra social media di nipa atem a nyame no watie nyame nya sa na utie mpaibo nyame wo nkrofo a utie o manimu asem e de to o man nti nyankopon o tie nipa nso animu asem e de fa adwene nyame ono nko a onye ne bibia se do ono nko a pe oduru ba bia o hwe nipa utie nipa nti Moses wa bra nyame ka che Moses ko ore o kokora na mehu de ba ye o man o se urade mesro se wo de won saka o man sisi a nkrofo be ka se wontimi fo mo nkonti mesro hwe nyankopon tie Moses afutu e ma ne ye yi a me ka che se nyame betime tie asofo a e wo man ni mu na futu ama ne ma akoyi amaye Ghana ne abruchire no difference ewum eyese ye tuntum no om so ye kokko eno ano no difference ewum ano no nemum se ye kan numasua ye kan nyansa ye kan nimdia masa enkampanifo ne di o man o wo bi nanso o kwa na apem wonu kokko na apem hwe kwa me nkroma opem ye onya ba no onya ba bi amfo man na mfa free fan be ye pempem a tempo no be Lawrence no nyina be ye pempem ye chete so sen nana akufu adonum pra wo preko nyina no masase ye nya nipa ye ntimi anyina ye asofo na ntimi anya akoma pa a mo man no a de kofo ko ye kofo be ye kosi sai kofo obetra man no so ye ototo niama enso sa niama ototo ene kosi sai anam ka se mama na ase wo man no da bi o se ye nya nipa bi nya akoma pa adia mo man na masa ye be bregu sa nya petrol ntimi nya mo enye o man yi o petrol gold diamond sa nya man amosoro ye di o madam enye o man yi nyame animu adom ti nya nyame animu adom a o man no be peda Spain had no more Germany Holland no more enso so niema nyame ate nanim ama wo no asofo bi num gina edima won mu ntino munim sika ewura nyamedwumam ewo Germany munim sika ewura nyamedwumam mo Britain munim sika ewura nyamedwumam mo America ye ka kire o yembehyo wo mo sponsor missionaries asam no nko akiri nanso ye de ye nwene nyamedwuma ho ye nwene nyame asam ye nwene nyame din ho ye gu nyame animu asese de ye pebia na ye ko ye baabi it is because of the background things we kramoba to asor no ote animu oni dwuma bia di ntino wakasa tie nyamesoma obi ama bibia so ane wetwa no de abasofo nanse nsamfun bi amenhwehwe atese wo ane de abode ane obi akọ IT film ono no akọ IT ni film ene wo sese ni wo ye anti obi IT film a ene so eye asofo responsibility ese mo di bedi asofo atem ne pa ko ye de wo sa asore den wo ye de wo ti wasore den wo ye de wo di fu asore den wo ye presby ni wo ye methodist ni wo ye SD ni wo ye Pentecost ni wo ye assemblies ni wo ye de wo di fu asore den so you obi a wo sum nyame a wo ba braba ho te a wo nsore firi wasore dem se wo ku di fu asore den eni ti sabe se wan tena brabo pam na bonsoma di anya edi wonya bre ho ase na ko na nyame ode di fu na gi nipa ode nkomshefo ne di fu na gi nipa ena me be mamo ne me bibie ne me bi so akere mo nyese bia mu ni mo left and right but mesre mo yen kasa ne ne ma ye no mo ma ye ne den yen tuye bo ase ne hu ko ye be fa so a ye benya Ghana hia nkrofo e be gina mo man no me ka ne pray akere Ghana hia nkrofo a sofo a adifo a obesu agu nyame so mo ma yen hwa de e Ezekiel chapter 22 the book of Ezekiel chapter 22 me be boss ten na menemo etwanity tiatia na de adrobedo a atrema se ya mprene to aso a ne ya mo hwe DC Liberia ebisi o Ghana ye be ye mobbo asene nipa bia wo wiase enti mo ma ye nwene kwa ye be fa so a ye be boy man ho ban the book of Ezekiel chapter 22 verse 29 going down. The people of the land have used oppression and exercised rebellion and have vexed the poor needed. Yeah, they have oppressed the strangers wrongfully. Oh, omano, yesu be yade tigana maimune. Robbery ne just obi kra timi ko robu obi na ka gina ye robo ka ni nipa na ya repu mmerewa. Ade Ghana no yadwene ne kwan. Se am robber wo ko robu nipa, wo wi abrewa ase bi kra poma so ne na meru punu abra baba wo gina ho. Wo fin se yadwene ne nti yadwene asi forma na asese no. Ye de say suba we ti ho ne ye di president atem ne ye di asofo atem. Eni ti nipa ye wo man no ankasam ye hia adwensa kira. Obi pin bedi won nsem na wafa. We wo if you remove you kra me wo de magana ne no ano na ka ne nsem afa because wo ko ya beka to so oh na abruchi ni de a chekra bo so me no opekwa ya ko bi je akiri bi hwe ya nyai awudie ne atirimoden nsem ye de teman ni mu a mfo ne nto na na akufu ado so obeye di obetimi a kire se okra capable se obetimi ahwe man no nanso so nyame amfa ne nsa anwura mu ado obeye bia enye kwa enye adwuma de obeye bia no enye adwuma ebeye kwa jise nyame de nsa bam se wo pega na man yi a hyase ye di mama o man no se wo pega na man yi a kokoto dwanu na di mama no mi busa ni nkrofo egu social media mudi na mudi mpanifo o man ni mu atem no mo amugo social media mudi asofo o man ni mu atem no hwan ene wase afia yesi mu ye wo December mu ye ko na wie ye wo hwan ene wase afia yesi mu wo timidi ni yefunu to ho one day se Awurade to ani mu o man yi mesi ni minni ni minua no egu man nim nti Awurade kai wo man yi wo kai wo man no ye kai wo man no ye bobra ye hwe akiri ye di nipa bone ane ye ho atoye ye kum nipa ane ye ni age obi surofunu adaka enam krom twet krom hia ansa na ade ache woti ho di o man mu padimfo atem mesi obi sofun dakra na dum no wadi kron wo twa kron ho ahia hwe Bible say na opo nipa ma opo ti se nkraman anajo woti Ghana woda kro bi mu anajo bete nkraman ne atwa kron ho ahia ofi say eyamo a nipa ma te se mo atwa kron ho ahia nti man we no se ya mompa ya ni ama o man no a bibia nti ma ne nkoso fi se na achiwade ene yete man mu ye kumi nipa ya fa nipa da se ni ache ne ya sie ni mu no so o pe ba bia gina o manim wo pe minister di ntu asie nipa ni mu no so wo wi abeka se o ma ne be yeyi sa nipa we she o ma ne bo a e be yeyi mesrem awudie ni atrimoden ni muja efi ahye o ma ne ma eni ntimi de anka mesre se mo bebo a mo ma oman ni mu nipa yenya atemidi a yedi asofo ne oman ni mu panifo yenya ne enko yemkotodwa no me ne ensre nyame without president oman bitima konanim nye president kwa na ye oman yo because bible says we nyame when sit down or dance for then we bregu kwa ha ubetime sidan ya na nsu a den nsu kura buda na gu bibia betime asi eni ntime sremo mo ma yenwene nkwa akiri ifise wose unka me kan akofom eni ntino wose mo me kan 29 the people of the land have used oppression and exercise rebellion and nipa arm robbers go prison yakofa obo free prison a ni amu omu tuo no makukum nipa no masam go prison what is that like right nipa na oni man nim no wamu no nipa go prison obi asifie hanfie kase na nipa gum ne yekum nipa na ye twi nipa moja chi nipa ne ya twi ne hom moja na asane ya ko sisi dan mi na achiwade we ekoso o man nim ye mompa ye nsire nyame ne yedi asofo atem wanka so abrabo no yebu hu akonta wo beto sesen abrabo a wode teman nim no wasisi young girl winya mfie dunumu why abortion more than 25 when wadi mfie aduasa why abortion more than 60 won mompa yensire na mese nya mebe kai we yamuma na omo meto sa moja ni mu huna mane wote wona udi mpanimfo ne asofo atem young boy ya wasiso just say wunya adwuma hunu wo ho ano wudi asofo na wudi na meso mo tese wo hunu so obi artificial mpe no wakope na de abeto mo hwe asofo mo hwe kristofo mo hwe we wa bra bo ne bu hu atanya nti wubedi bem wawo mamu be se nwotwe ana anko na adu obia wunni ba bi obia ate na se oba ebe hunu mane a wo hunu won tina se nwene hunu se menye ba bi menye obia nhwe minti na me nenam sena so saa be fa libia e be fa nsuo so amanwu anyame de ma bidru won kai we yin nyame aya mo ba na mo di asofo atem eni nti mo ntie asofo so mfaso. That is the book of Ezekiel chapter 22 verse 30. Was it I saw for a man among them that should make up the hedge and stand in the gap. Nyame penipa wo beto ban na wagina ban ni tokrum baabi na waka kire Awurade se Awurade kai wo man yi nyame penipa ebedi am wo man no nyame pa asofo ebedi am wo man no nyame pa adifo ebedi am wo man no nyame pa se be adifo ma asofo mema adifo ma nyame onsem se influence emma mienu pempo edi won ho si wo se o mo kai o man no mpa igbo ma nyame obetie nyame penipa a wode no ho asi wa ma onu nyame ne din se oprobi obegina di am o man nipa sai ne di magana mi busa o se daben na wo ko nkotodwa ni mu a wo kai o man Ghana mesra o share program ma me mesra mo share ma me mi hia me de futu e magana ma fi se ya dru ba bia eden samre ye be kwa afi fufuru mu ye be kwa akura afi fufuru mu obi ni ma de chemu nsam se ye hwe the whole Africa man ye wuo ya ya simpa ye Ghana adintra enutuo ne edi bone nti wuo bi ho ma wo trans na wo asase a enye no ma wuo ye ade bi a yaye ne edi afa ni padom bi nomum akum wo mo ase wo no nanso se ne edi akosha incident bi anka so ni mfaso incidents is your Ghana no say what trans na wo analyze na wo check out me say no enye no ma ten say nke isi nanso so na iden na asi mufin say normal Ghana nko na nsuo fa nipa moma yen trans ne yen kai say nyame hia nipa binom asofo binom minim sofo a Ghana yen di natam minim difo a yen di natam adan yen kwa ye di nipa de ne yeje ye kran so ne abra bonsan ne nipa be trans social media edi asofo atem no ma no mibusa se hwan ene okunachi on yemfa ne da ana won twempena da mema na betra social media di asofo atem di o ma no mpanimfo atem no wusisi won twempena da woyirachi won fa woyirachi mumu bebre won ne yire ne mate wase ya wo mabe na ya na nim kura won chen ya obi anim na di pa boni ni we wa bigina bi di asofo atem ana duro no a won nam so na aboa uduru akwantuo mu a wo send sika hwidi se yemfa nko baabi nko boa no aboa Nro de na aboa moma yensua se de besia kan ya no atum ne ya bre ye ho ase ne ye hu ye standard fi se nyame se se yedra ho nyame penipa e de won ho beto de won yefunu beto e besu egu nyame so wase me penipa obejira ban ntokrum na nka wasu ase adia mo man na nso nyame se wonya bi nyame se wonya bi sa wase ye nyina ye se adifo na obenye papa omu firi nyame oba asore a ye so ye banfo be ma asore a ye so ye wa tu aduro we koyesi atese ye ni buo ma sofo bia mon kan kire me sofo kro a wo ga na ye ni natem sofo ben odifo ben na wo ga na ye ni natem moma ye nsua kwan ye be fa so e be bre ho asem nyame se ya mre ho ase nyame obebre yase se ye ya mre ho ase a nyame obebre yase social media no wujimi nyame nko wo so ubetima trans social media kan ye obeka na so ma no ebe connect ase se ne wote no biso o mani mpanifo no de omo ya no de ombetimi ya no omo ye no na so nyame pa mamu a menye wadre se ubetima ye bibia pide o man no because wo kwa America asofo kuku dabamfo bi egu ho ne mpanimfo bi no wunhu omo ye wa asofo bi ho a wunhu omo Spain ha ye wa asofo bi ho a wunhu okọ Britain ye wa asofo bi ho a wunya kwankora no wahu no wokọ Canada no ne ade ye wa asofo a edima wo man secretly a ye wo man no ahoode ne wo no nanso Ghana de da bi ye bia no bi e bedi natem di atem afri Duncan Williams so ba bi si obi aso ade sofo bia ne en munyam wo mani mo man ade mo nko am ye di nipa the whole Africans wa on man ya abrabo pone ni abrabo funu etim pass so ya Ghana man die ntimi transcend se abrabo ehunu si abrabo aye bone etie nyame na nyame ani so ensaye and to say na me penipa obejira o man no obejira mo man no and to verse 30 say I saw for a man, that is Ezekiel chapter 22 verse 30. I saw for a man among them that should make up the hedge and stand in the gap before me for the land, that I should not destroy it, but I found none. Probably will be more man who would dear more man. Visa many what the many who ever Ghana man moon air time. Quiet nipa be fast you ever man moon air than air time. Nkrophobia yes sell more man moon air time. I read who won ya home tibia cost or man air time. Nipa ye see when the moon so manami and so Ghana man moon air timodin samanyame. Chinipa muja nipa ye chinipa muja life. Near the ayeni ebeye. Yewia na abegi no na ebedi asofo atem yewia na ebegi no na ebedi nkrofo atem chese niema ye o man ani su no time nkra ye yi o mu gu afie no time ye nyame kra nyan yewie ase abetras ye nipa kra na ase abetras nyame se o penipa obedi me be kira mo sa nipa no menchem ne mo twa ne titia kra hwan ene nyame ehwehwe na na ofin se obi a onam kwa ho ba bia no aso nyame ubetima ye di mama hu Nimum say we demand more money there. It should be obia. What it should be an anointed person. Wouldn't mean trafficking as I know we demand. Who are you? But me say it should be an anointed person. You can only one thing. The specific people between dear more man you know. We hear the book of Joel chapter 2. The book of Joel chapter 2. Joel chapter 2, 16. The book of Joel chapter 2 verse 16. Coming down. The book of Joel chapter 16. The book of Joel chapter 16, 12, 16. Joel 12, 16 to 19. Let me read here. Joel 12, 16 to 19. The book of Joel chapter 12, 16 is saying this. Gather the people, sanctify the congregation, assemble the elders, gather the children, and those that soak the breast. Let the bridegroom go forth of his chamber, and the bride out of his closet. Let the priests, the ministers of the Lord, weep between the porch and the altar and let them say, spare thy people. Mutie ne moka. Wase moma asofo ne mpanimfo no ensu ewa asafo asore dan ne asore dan nanim ho. Omo nkokoto no mu nsu. No omo nka se Ewurade kai wo man. So wutie. Enti ne se obi hu bi anti nyame nani wa asofo ne adifo na mudi omo atam munyai. Wase mumma enkra ne mema obia nte no hona mumpem ba bi ntra wo ma ware foforo a wose mogi mani wase kohye dem din ye hia dakora enka asofo beko manim di suo akwa Awurade anim na nyame apede oman dan so abetra se ne yedi o matem ye nim sofo bia so ya akra so ya peni akra na obetra se be papa panim mu bia enka onye wa pen wo men bibia mu obetra se na wudi natem se be wose ena bi kura awokra nka unya wose hwewo a nka bia nka nya se dia wutini no obetra se na wudi sofo atem ye frɛ wo papa se wose ye frɛ ne se mesra mo monhye message ni mame na ya nibre sem se ya nkasa nibre so a nipa bia no de nnome soa wo man no a dabi bia wo ma wo de wote wo abetwatwan wo nkwa Ghana bi wo ma me ne wo nua no ho na nipa bia wonnim ne left and right abetena ase no wadi asofo atem ano wa kansa mpone nipa dasani timi bie na no didi Kristo atem wa bra sebe metukwan yam nante sebe nka mo man mu ba bie no wa me nante nkoye na how say obetini akasa ma wano atie Kristo ko Saudi na kwa kasa asem no ayeka ebia no katie Kristo so no ko Saudi na ko bie wano ka ebetwa utie friso se nyame dinfo obedi natem wo ye wan moma yensu akwa ye befa so bebre ho ase na man no ye de ano kra no me egu o man no so na da bepeja no sa bre no se bibia wo de oti akwantu mu afi o ma me bi wunwe bi mobroni bi otene ba bi wono na ebe hunu sa amane no enenti wo se moma asofo no enye de emetra emehia pruntri ho na nka asofo ye hia asofo bi ebisu enenti na the book of Ezekiel catch us me penkrofo ebegina yi di man no me penkrofo a ebegina yi di man no na o man na me besen no eya me ya na nso so me nya ni pe ebegina yi di man no na ba Ezekiel ho wo ba the book of Joel I was say ni pe hunu bia mo ma asofo no ene nkomhyefo adifo no wo mo begina apamadaka na ni mo betina asafo ni tire ho no wo mo nsu nya so mo mpa ye hunu wo mo nsu. I read verse 17. Let the priests and the ministers of the Lord weep between the porch and the altar, and let them say, spare thy people, O Lord, and spare thy people, O Lord, and give not ten heritage to reproach. O man in Ameda Padio. Wasn't it? I said, a soft one besia. Ne yesu gu nyame so say Awurade. Yes, o man ye we japade Ghana man e ye wo Awurade we japade nti Awurade kaye. No man mobo. This is all for men that often say, won. Bit my casa or no encounter any more mine. Ye nearly dear more mine. Ye casadia pebia chasofo, ye grew as of when any more self-city. Ye grew be a huffy, so for be any dear way any. Why, and as is a won't go down any mamma mine. Nyame, Christu, Nyame, Pelipa, a software, or Mediacoma pa, or Donetima, Becco, Nankoma could soon win a meso. Omakosuegu na meso ntigana ye ntimi nya sofo a wonu mu free na me be ye 10 na 20 and 50 enko transfer da baakum faakon no mu nsu one day pekranse na me se Awurade kai o man no yesro ya bre ya konko so mu abre Awurade kai o man no ye nya ni die masofo bia ese sofo be na enko yesa adwuma nyame hia nipa obegina the book of Ezekiel say me nipa obegina no we dima ama wo man no wasre na wo ba the book of Joel so wo se wo pa sofo won ka say wi ni won ka say wo a wo twempra no won ka say wo a wo mma emma ben nkro na wo twe a wonni mo left and right and wo from no wo pe won ma du won ho asi ho won ma yasra won mo ngo won ma du won kra bo afode amanyame won mo afanyame asem say won mo abrabo no mo wiase and wo se safo no nko mo mesum nyame so mo nka nche say Awurade. Yes, no man, and you were Japadi and yes, no, and more man on Kwame him, and my bonnet a new man so, a rather kaye. Me too, a man for no palm fa, what best young Coswa, na yɛkae de si Liberia, yɛkae de si Sierra Leone, yɛkae Biafra war, na sɛ yɛkae every coast a mɔma yɛnkae hu sɛ nyame wayɛ bia mɔman no, because Biafra war wonim nipa dodo ewu wɔ Nigeria Biafra war no, wonim Liberia nipa dodo ewu yɛ, wonim Sierra Leone nipa dodo ewu yɛ, every coast wonim nipa dodo egu, na sɛ nyame abɔ man yi ho ban ekuta yɛn a yɛhia asɔfoɔ, yɛhia prophet, yɛhia pastors, yɛhia bishops, yɛhia nkrɔfoɔ a ɔnom do wɔn ho beto. We need the actual men of God to come together, pray for Ghana seriously before we enter next year. But who is going to do that? Who is going to do that? We don't respect any pastor in Ghana. We don't respect any prophet. We don't respect any bishop. We don't respect anybody at all. And at the end of the day, we take Christianity upon our horns and defiling any means to defile Christianity. Don't you know, as you defile Christianity, you are defiling Most High God, you are defiling the name of the Lord. As much as we defile the name of men of God, or we defile the men of God, or we accuse them, we accuse God, we defile God. God needed them to come and stand. God needed them to come and stand. That is why the book of Ezekiel said, I need man to stand at the gap. And then Joel said, I need men of God, ministers, to come and stand and cry. Who is going to cry? Suppose before 31st, suppose we get some men of God, 5 to 10, 5, 10, 20, 30, come together, cry that God, remember your nation is your property. Remember your nation is a property. Ghana is your property. If we can cry and call the name of the Lord, God will do something about it. God will do. Look, president is doing well. Ever best president we have got in Ghana. But if God did not build the builder, 5 stand for nothing. If God did not guide, the guide, but the guide stand for nothing. Unless God come and build and guide. Without the hand of God, without the help of God, without the consideration from above, we can't change the realm. The realm infection is on us. We are suffering from the realm infections. Not that the leaders don't know what to do. They know what to do. They are trying to do their best. You think if Rawlings could have made Ghana like America, wouldn't he do it? You think if Kufuor should have do Ghana like America, wouldn't he do it? You think if Mama can do Ghana like maybe Britain, wouldn't he do it? Nana is trying all his best as he can. But let me tell you, I'm not saying he's doing nothing. He's doing best. But the best must have an realm foundation. We must have a foundation to stand upon. If we could not find foundation to stand upon, we will fight for nothing. We will fight for nothing. We need God to come and assist our nation. But we don't respect any man of God in Ghana. We don't respect any man of Ghana. We insult any man of... Tell me which man of Ghana in Ghana. Tell me in Ghana which man of God that we have not insulted, or we have not defiled, or we have not accused. What are we doing? What are we doing? Do you think our effort can help Ghana? Since time of Nkrumah, what have we done? We've done nothing. The country is still falling. And we don't sit down and think of it. After all, how many people is praying for that country? So when you go to the Joel, chapter 2, verse 17, it said, let the priests, the ministers of the Lord, weep between the porch and the altar, and let them say, spare thy people, O Lord, and give nothing heritage to reproach, that the heritage should rule over them. Wherefore should they say among the people, where is their God? Let me tell you, sacking foreigners from marketing cannot solve Ghana problem. Are you not ashamed? When citizens don't have common 10,000 to start business, and the foreigners are establishing in roadside business, and you are crying, are you not ashamed of yourself? Is that the destiny of a Ghanaian? That Ghanaians should come and start a roadside and sell things? Are we not ashamed of ourselves by attacking foreigners in Ghana that they are taking in our marketing? They don't have right to come and sell things at the roadside. Is that your destiny? Is that your destiny, that your life, you are coming to sell things at the roadside? That is not the job of the citizens. It's a job of foreigners. Now, are we not ashamed? Yeni emu. Say omaya ti say. Yeni ahoho ko say wa bigina kwa ho to ne mentiko. Ye ma nyina kwa ho to ne ma na ekruma fo adwuma. Nti wani yeni emu. Nti yeti asisi fom saa. Ye besre nyame ade eni ato fom asu agu nyame so ase nyame say urade pagya wo man no. Obi oton roadside ne ma. Obi ogina kwa ho to ne ma. Yesi hoho ni kwa so beton ne ma wo kwa ho. Nti mo anim gu asese mo yi a ya djedre mu a ya de nam a ye edu president anim. Nti mo fin say ya adwene ne eye. Sebe se nyame egina o man na chi a wo hoho beba no wo bie wadwuma no wo bepa adwuma aye. Hoho beba man ni mu no na wo bie wadwuma no wo bepa bi aye. Hoho beba man ni mu no na wo ye adwuma bi a hoho no bepa bi aye. Nyanso so enam se yenie ni die manyame ne emfa nyame ne hwe ne ka de epenti enne ahoho ena nyame abo wo ntwetire a wo mu di man so anim nyam wo mu di man yi die. We have to think very fast. We have to think very wide. If we did not consider things of God, my brother, let me tell you, it will be worse. Let me come to an end of today's message. As I'm advised to Ghanaians, we have to think wisely. We need to return to the Lord. If we refuse to return to the Lord, we will still fight and struggle for many years. It's not the fault of Nkrumah. Another other president or previous president, they have no fault. It is because there is no spiritual backup in Ghana. Since independence, Ghana have not got a team of intercessors. No, we don't have. We don't have a team of an intercessors. People that sit down and pray and cry to God that God should help the country as his heritage, as his property. No, we don't have. It is because we don't respect the men of God. We take them for granted and we say whatever we want to say. How many people is praying for Ghana? Nobody can do anything. Whosoever you think can build Ghana, bring him up. He cannot. Unless God build. If God did not build, the builder in vain. If God did not guide, the guide stand for nothing. So yenya nyame ani mu adom. Yenya nkrofo anyina ho ani amo man no. Na se ye de ho to so a efiri Nkrumah breso ebiduru ne no. We shall say nkrofo na bidu man anim. Omo fom so le say. Ubetime akansem bi egomani ma se de ope. Nanso na ne kan che say se yenya chitaifo nkrofo ebi gina di ama man no a ubie ne obetime pedi o man no. O se nyame ensi dan no a odansifo no ubrebu kwa obrebu dwirebu. Na nyame amodan no ho ban a me kan che o. Watchman no oda ho kwa. Enti me ka che am ato ho ase se yenya nkrofo ebi gina me de ma no usi na futuo na de mo man no. Mo pa mo ma yenya social media kwa ye fa so gunya medin hu fi no mo ma yem fa to ni yen tra ma di ma yen sra sofo yen pa sofo nyina nye ma di ma no na sa sofo o ma anim no eni akoma pa eni ani die o mu ni ani die ebe ma o ma nya akoma pa ebe de no ma gina di ama o man mo ma yin sua se de ebe bre ho ase ne de ani di ama o man mu mpanifo ne asofo mo me hwa de the book of Hosea chapter 12 verse 13. Was it, and by a prophet the Lord brought Israel out of Egypt, and by a prophet was he preserved them. God brought the children of Israel out at the hand of Moses. He brought them out from the strong hand of Pharaoh. From the strong hand of Pharaoh. Bible says, who can deliver the captive from mighty warrior? I, the Lord, will deliver, and I will save your children. Was the one that betting no more freedom, Ben Mamma Caffons, was a mirror, the met Jim, the met Jim of Masso. Uti. Young fat and need the mass of one near pass of we begin a dear more mine. Ye here and Mabawa, Marantia, penny for name cockra, nipa one a walk, Benatima amor man, ye nasaka crack, nipa 10, 20. Benimfo kakra onum nyame adom wo onum so ne fresa afo nom kwatranse no musugu nyame so a wonum musugu nyame so a nyame obeda nani abehwe oman Faru no obi antimi nko se nyame nsa mamu ana ani kwa bie ni ho Nyame se nam se me di be ye kese nti na me pija wo. Me ni be kwa ma nyina ntu na pija ye wo kese ya. Yanso so ne yitukwa ne bi do abruchira yesi nyame so ye nkwasasem. Yanso so wakoda atra mante abom pa ya ya kwanchine 40 days ansa na wutukwa. Sabre na na ho kire wa na kom de wa na de obedi eden a na ni da so asa na wonni de obi ano. Sabre de ne nyame wo ho. Wonam desert ya na wusu a woyira ya nka wuwuo no sabre de wusu gu nyame so si nyame nye won koma wungu osre so wo kofo nsu a woduru nsu so a sink no boat no sink no sabre wusu boat no se ruade onye won kwa na ontimi kohwe ma me mobru ne hia ni ne wa bedu abrucha nya bibidi nti nyame ni ho wo ka asem a wo pebia se de wo twan ante obi na asem fa so for mo social media no wa post wo ma ye hwe yi wase na banya wase. By the prophet, the Lord brought Israel out of Egypt. And the Medifos, when the Medifos, and what G Israel, free Egypt, when the Medifos, and when the Medifos and the share one so, or minor, without prophet, without men of God, you cannot progress, you cannot prosper. We can't do anything better. There will be no ways and means for us to escape from the wrath of God. Only we need men of God to come together and pray. I want to tell you, if you are not a Christian, quit your mouth. Shut up your mouth. In your religion, there are more evil and wrong things that is going on in your religion. Go and protect against that. Go and protect against that. Talk to those people that is doing that in your religion, that it is not of God. I'm not against any religion, but I want to tell you, whatever you belong to, work there and leave Christianity alone. Leave Christianity alone. And I'm telling you again, if people did not stop doing this through this social media, by the way we define Christ, that the way we do things against the Christianity, some people will be going home, some people, your passport will be taken away from your hand, and that nation will send you to go and help your country. If we think we can't stop, that will help us. See, if you say, Yentimi Kayanum to me and Fanny Dear Benjamin, neither thing say, I better America. And I better Germany and I Britain and I better Europe in tea. You bet me good Christus, some things said the PBR, Memoati as I said, Europe, one more soft for a tima or minor. Na same way me the drew on one more, or paper now will crack our Britain and in tea, who fin say, when you Ubiani will be in a mini or paper, what one I can't say, Kukrum Cobo, my Jacrat and one yet work Kukrum. What's America? What's America? Now, soft one Sabbath more America. What is social media na or matrix true more bandu crown and our partner. Oh, one never found say, ye Joe Crat and yet wide, yet what to fear of woman. Ubi dear and the Ukra people, Urefi. There are so many articles and Macquazi and your crat out. Be a bit messy, I'm crat and it walk room. To a Sifia now says, Sabe, who thinks up when you crat out and once you acquire fast or bear on Yama, and I'll take Ghana also swash your house. Say now, Mr. One thing anymore. I'm coming to an end of this advice. My last quotation as I left with you is Hosea chapter 12, verse 13. It said, and by prophet, the Lord brought Israel out of Egypt. And by prophets was he preserved. May God lead Ghana out of bondage. And may God preserve Ghana. May we look back to the prophet and men of God and seek for them. May God give them a good heart to come together and intercede for Ghana. Or else we will fight in vain. You can vote for whomsoever you think you can vote. It can't solve the problem, excuse me. You can spend as much as you can spend. It can't help Ghana. There is no strategy that can build Ghana up. If God did not help, if God did not look down to Ghana and wave his glorious and favorable hand to Ghana, if God will not show mercy to Ghana, there is no ways and means for Ghana to prosper. You can't build it. You can't do anything. Wisdom and knowledge come from above. There is no ways and means you can gain favor if God did not give to you. Because Bible says man cannot receive anything unless I've been given from heaven above. We need to respect our prophet. We need to respect our bishops. We need to respect, all kind of men of God. Stay where you are. Go to your church and sit inside your church. People are using privilege to insult Christ, to abuse religious chances. We are suffering from spiritual infection. Earthquake is destroying us, but we don't know. We can overthrow any government that we think. No military or civilian can build Ghana. Nobody, unless God turn back to us. As we are coming to an end of this year, let's find means to come together as men of God and pray for this country. If we all come together and pray that may God have mercy, and individuals repent and look up to God, let me tell you, within short time, Ghana can be like Europe, can be even better than Europe. But if we continue to take alcohol and take drugs and smoke and say all kinds of things that we think we can say against God, you can speak against God, but God knows how He will handle your issue. Let's repent and turn ourselves. Ghana, humble yourself before God, and God will uplift you. God bless you wherever you are. May God be with you. May God bless Ghana. Thank you for this advice. Please share this advice. Send it to whomsoever you think you think will help that Ghana need to come back to God. Before, when you go to school at your childhood, there is any religious studies. Children are learning about God. But now we say we don't need that. We need to know the word. Look at what is going on. God bless you wherever you are. And may God be with you as I'm coming to an end of this program.